In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract in Google Sheets. If you've ever hunted around for a special subtract button or function and come up empty, don't worry, you didn't miss anything. There actually isn't a dedicated subtract function, because subtraction in Google Sheets is built right into simple formulas. Once you know the pattern, it's quick, clean, and reliable. Let's start with the most straightforward way to subtract two values. In any empty cell, type an equals sign to tell Google Sheets you're entering a formula. Then type your first number, add a minus sign, and type your second number. Press enter, and the result appears instantly. For example, typing equals 25 minus 7, and then enter will give you 18. That's all there is to it. The equals sign is your signal that a calculation is coming. The minus sign is the subtraction operator, and pressing enter finalizes the formula. If you ever see an error, double check that you began with an equals sign and didn't add any stray characters. Now, to make your spreadsheet truly useful, you'll want the result to update automatically as your data changes. Instead of subtracting typed numbers, subtract the values stored in cells. Click an empty cell. Type an equals sign, click the cell with the amount you want to start with, type a minus sign, and then click the cell with the amount you want to subtract. Press enter, and you'll see the difference. The big advantage here is that if you change either of those values later, maybe you update a budget number or adjust an expense, the result recalculates on its own, saving you time and avoiding manual edits. A few quick tips to keep things clear. The order matters. The first value is what you're subtracting from, and the second is what you're taking away. If you reverse them, you'll get the opposite sign. Negative results simply show with a minus sign in front, which is normal. You can also include decimals, and Google Sheets will handle them accurately. If your expression gets longer, parentheses can help you control the order of operations, but the core idea remains the same. Equals, first value, minus, second value. That's it. Whether you're working with fixed numbers or dynamic cell references, subtraction in Google Sheets is fast, simple, and dependable. Try it with your own data, watch the results update as you make changes, and you'll be building smarter, more flexible sheets in no time.